Hi, I thought I'd do a quick video for you to show you how I do a new listing on Warrior Plus because it's not as intuitive as it should be. Click on new listing, obviously. The one they'd like you to do is pay them $19 and pay a fee. I haven't used that yet. The last one it would probably been slightly cheaper to do that, but I'm using the one that says click here to create a WSO Pro Adaptive listing for free. Click that, but I'm actually going to show you the one I've done for this particular offer because it's easy. Okay, here's one I did earlier. As I said, otherwise it'll leave it as a ghost listing. So the item name is the title. In this particular case it's the same title I've used for the actual WSO. Quantity, I'm not limiting, so that's fine. Delivery file, if you want Warrior Plus to, if you want to send just a zip file, you can do that, but as I said in the PDF, I've had a couple of people that haven't quite sussed that when they got it, so it's caused support issues, so it's easier just to put the delivery URL in there and they'll handle sending that. Payment email, when you set up Warrior Plus, you have to tell them you just select that from the list. Sell notification, yeah, I like my ego fed. Support email is that one. Support URL, if I had a support desk then I'd use that. Refund period, I tend to stick for 30 days, it seems to be about right. This particular WSO has got a refund option, but I'm not pushing it in the actual sales pitch. That's it. Keywords, I can use up to 3 on this particular one. I've used 2 because I wasn't quite sure what to put in. Actually, let's do a third one, a case study, because that's what it is. Listing status active, you can set that closed if you decide to close your WSO. At the moment I can't select the WSO post because it's not approved yet. Sales type, the option of buy now or buy now, so I'm not sure. Right, okay. Subscribe for recurring payment, never done that. Not even sure if it's available on this at the moment. It's a dime sale, I just $5.76. Why? I'm not really sure. Actually, let's do $5.75 because otherwise it's going to go to round dollars, and I'd prefer 99s and things when it gets there. Increase the price. I'm going to do 2 cents again on this one. You'll find out. Well, if you've read the PDF you'll know why. Basically, for people that keep pressing refresh, has it gone up yet? Has it gone up yet? Yes, and it's gone up by 2 cents. Oh, better buy it now. Every however many sales. Maximum price for this I've set to $9.99 just because. If it was an upsell, I'd choose the parent listing from the drop down box. It isn't, so I ignore that. Ignore the next 2 boxes because I've no idea what they are. Select the autoresponder. As I said, it's got Aweber, GetResponse, whatever Inimica Mail is, Infusionsoft and ProFollow. Mine's Aweber, that's the unit name, that's the list name. When you create an Aweber list or any other autoresponder list, it gives you a list name that in Aweber sets to default plus a number. On this one I've changed that to that. I haven't got an ad tracking code, can't be bothered with web form ID. They're just going to literally sign up without being asked, so fair enough. Default commission 80%. Bear with me a second. I've put a message in. Most affiliates ignore that, but some will put a message, so if we haven't worked together before, please let me know how you intend to promote. And then there's the warning that whatever, if I wanted to send an affiliate to that, I'd send them that link, but I've never done that yet. We're eligible for WSO of the day, well, I can dream, so yes, go for it. 80% commission, same to Warrior Plus, and they'll, well, that seems to, you have to set that separately. So update the listing, and that's it. The button code, when I post the Warrior thing, well, sometimes I'll do it straight into the Warrior Forum editor, other times I'll do it into Word. But that code there is the button code that needs to go into the Warrior Forum thing. And what I'll do is literally post that in and keep pressing preview to make sure I got the Warrior Forum thing. So it's the button code forum rather than button code HTML. HTML if you're doing a regular web page, but for the forum, because it's a different editor, then it's that. Tracking code, if I was really whatever. I could use that, and I might do in the future. Basically, that would mean if it's button 1, it's that one. If it's button 2, so you can actually track which buttons have been clicked. And if I was going to put it in a later post in the thread, I might do that. Scarcity in a box I've not used, but that's what it shows as. There's already on the regular button, there's a preview there, so it's up to you which format you want. So that's basically it for that. And the vendor link, which is the one I couldn't find or had never found before because it's not the most logical place to have it. If I want to put a tracking code in there, I could, and what that'll do is, as you can see, just add it to the end of the thing. Otherwise that's just the vendor link. So that's how I set up Warrior Plus. Hope that was useful.